Welcome to the Abatement Technologies Quick Start video series. Let's walk you through the essential steps to get the most out of your Bulldog BD2KM and BD2KMA negative air machines. Before operating the BD2KM or BD2KMA, stabilize the unit by locking its casters. Then, ensure the motor is switched off to inspect filters for any damage. Once the inspection is complete, you can plug the BD2KM into an electrical outlet. Choose your motor speed from high, low, or off, and when you're done using the Bulldog, switch it off, unplug the unit, unlock the casters, and store until next use. The Bulldog operates in 3 modes: negative pressure, recirculation, and positive pressure. Negative pressure ensures contaminants do not escape an area. Recirculation continuously cleans the air in a room, and positive pressure prevents contaminants from entering an area. You can also connect flex ducts to the BD2KM for optimal performance and support. Keep an eye on the filter change indicator lamp. If it's on, then it's time to replace the filters. And if you're using the BD2KMA, you will hear its change filter alarm. And you can also use its differential pressure gauge display to determine airflow pressure. Hot tip: when the differential pressure gauge reads 2.2 inches water column or higher, this also means that 1. The pre-filters are fully loaded, 2. The inlet is obstructed, 3. If attached, the flex duct is too long or has too many bends, or 4. The HEPA filter is fully loaded and needs to be replaced. Click the link above to see how to change BD2KM and BD2KMA filters. After your project is complete, disinfecting the Bulldog's polyethylene cabinet is a simple step. Turn off and unplug the BD2KM while wearing recommended PPE, and wipe it down with an approved cleaner while avoiding electrical elements.